So I wanted to do a video of my truck. I just put the Gibson dual sport catback on it. It's a single in, dual out, all stainless. We live in the Northeast, need that. So it's a 99 Silverado extended cab. Only modifications done are a cold air intake, a Texas Speed Stage 2 cam, the 212, 218 low lift. I have the 6-liter injectors in it. This was a 99, so it was the lowest output motor, and also had smaller fuel injectors. I believe they were like 21 pound or so an hour. So I just wanted to give a little bit of demo on the exhaust. I wish it was a little bit louder, but it has a nice deep throaty sound to it. I'll let you guys listen. It's very mellow. So just cruising like this in overdrive, 50 miles an hour, you can see I could barely hear the exhaust at all. Second. We'll just do a wide open throttle downshift as soon as this traffic passes. Now, most of the noise I hear there, a lot of it is the cold air intake. You hear that motor growl. I'll get some other videos with the windows down. It's winter time, so it's not a good idea. So if you guys have any questions, let me know.